My people, una dey hear me well? I say, your belly don't full. If your belly never full, then why you dey sleep? Na true talk.
Wake up, we must go back to the source, the Allah.
No be joke, joke. Oh. My brother, my sister, make we reason this thing. We dey buy everything, we dey import everything. We dey buy foreign rice, foreign tomato from another man. Wetin happen to the Eastern Heartland? We chase the Bentley, we chase the big house, but the food on the table, it dey come from another mouse. Hungry man, I dey tell you now. But we get the soil, we get the rain, so wetin we dey do anyhow? Foreign rice dey look us, e dey laugh our folly. Wanna let us check ourselves, this shame must stop totally. Afanfuna dey wait for us, but we dey form busy. We must go back to the farm, no be waiting dey make person crazy. We want chop, telly belle boss, telly belle boss, telly boss, now wetin we want? We go rebound to the Allah. Anyaoku, no more hunger, I say. Anyaoku, Anyaoku, no more hunger, I say. Belly boss, now wetin we want? Anyaoku, I go remind you about the days of glory. Ask your grandfather, make una hear the story. Dr. Michael Okpara, him the government will. That time, food na free pass, you know they make person kneel. The radio they sing, the TV they shout for town.
Chop chicken, chop egg.
Our food they abundant down. Chicken no get visa, egg no need passport. E dey flow for market like river, no be that kind of sport. Where we dey play now, with inflation price don't show. That time everybody dey smile, that cheeks dey shine. Now that kind of fanfuna we dey seek, it is divine. One day make we pick up the whole, let the work begin. My say, my son, we want chop, telly belle boss, telly belle boss. Belly boss, now wetin we want? We go return to the Allah. Anyaoku, no more hunger, I say. Ryoku, Anyaoku, no more hunger, I say. Belly boss, now wetin we want? Anyaoku, my money call me blind or lie. We forget the farm, we just won't fly high. Everybody na investor, everybody na big shot. But the food basket for house, it dey empty, it dey rot. Then when inflation rise, we dey knock for rich man door. See wala oh, the wala too deep. Foreign goods prices, them they make us to weep. Our children they hungry, them they shout, Papa, Mama. We must use this Allah to solve the whole drama. Una see say I dey laugh, na serious laugh I dey laugh. If you chop the food from your Allah, your blood go strong like stone. The government sef make them listen oh, no be every time import. Because when the belle full, the brain go calm down. Be a guy, back to the beat. Chop, one day make we chop. Belly boss, now wetin we want? We go return to the Allah.